One, do you know that one word that creates a lot of problems between countries, friends, couples, boyfriend, girlfriend, even the religious person? Do you know what? Ego. Because for all of us have very strong ego, our own view and our own idea, our myself. Therefore, we create a lot of problems. But it has solution to solve the problem. Do you know what are that? It's very important word. It's called sorry. Any situation, if you think you create a problem, if you able to say sorry about that for other person, it's immediately solve the 90% the problem. But our ego doesn't want to say sorry. The ego thinks if we say sorry, it means we are lost, we are wrong. It is not true. This is totally a mistake. A sorry means not your fault, not your wrong. It means your respect for others' value. Your respect for others. The respect others is most one of the important to keep our mind calm. Therefore, any kind of situation, if you think or others think you're the person create the problem, you say sorry about that, dear my friend. I am sure it solves a lot of problems. Just try that. But ego say, don't say that, but don't listen. If you listen to ego, you are lost. You are the person to make the problem. If you are able to say sorry, it's not like that. Just try. Okay? Thank you.